Understanding rigging up English phrases explained. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the phrase rigging up. It's a versatile expression that you might come across in different contexts. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in everyday English. Stay tuned to become more fluent and confident in your English language journey. Rigging up refers to the process of assembling, setting up, or preparing equipment for use. It could involve putting together parts of a machine, preparing a set for a play, or even setting up a tent for camping. The term rig itself comes from nautical terminology, where it means to equip a ship with sails and rigging. Let's put rigging up into context with some examples. In sailing, we spent the morning rigging up the sailboat before heading out to sea. In camping, we arrived at the campsite and started rigging up our tent. In technology, the IT specialist is rigging up a new network for the office. These examples show that rigging up is about preparation and assembly, ensuring everything is ready to go for a particular purpose or activity. When using rigging up, remember that it's typically used for physical or tangible objects. It's less common to use it for abstract concepts. For instance, you wouldn't say, rigging up an idea. Instead, you might say, setting up, or laying out an idea. And that's a wrap on rigging up. With this phrase in your linguistic toolkit, you can describe preparation activities with more precision. We hope this video has rigged you up for success in your English learning adventure. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.